Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a social quiz using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. Now, consider that I'm a behaviorist and a psychologist. I get many appointments in a day. Taking all the details from the clients could be time-consuming at times. To fix this, I want my clients to take a general quiz before visiting me so that I know what kind of personality I am meeting. To create our social life quiz, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable WordPress website and test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create a new quiz or survey or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM has a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I am setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey, if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged-in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-on page, where we get to see the popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. We have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one to know about the active social life a client is having. After entering the question, you can select a question type from the drop-down on the right-hand side. I am selecting the multiple choice type question horizontal type for the questions and writing answer choices. You can give points or correct or incorrect for the respective answers. I am giving some points to the answer to show you the results. And, if you want, you can mark the question as required so that a question cannot be skipped. Then, click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Let's click on Create a second question. For this question also, we will be selecting the multiple choice horizontal question type and writing down the answer choices along with the points. Now, let's create a new page with new questions, and I'm repeating the same process of adding questions and answers. Now that all the questions are saved, let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, select the field type, and label it as Name. Let's add another contact field to take the respective date. Select the field type as Date and label it as Date. Then, click on the Save Contact field. Now, all the questions for our quiz is set and the contact field is configured to collect the user details. Let's set our final result page for the quiz as per the score. So, go to the Result Pages tab. Here, you can set conditions as per your wish, and you could select when a particular result page should be shown as per the total points. Now, after setting the conditions, we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So, enter the message and take different variables from these templates. I am taking the username and average score of these two variables to put in my message. To beautify your result page, you can upload the image also in the description. Let's preview our social life quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have created the social life quiz successfully, and it's working just fine. You could see the timer running on the rightmost bottom of the page. And finally comes the result page, where the results shows up as per the conditions set. And that's all for this video. How do you plan on using QSM? Let us know in the comments section. Stay tuned for new tips on using QSM plugin. Until next time, bye-bye and stay safe.